Gentleman from Florida.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I yield myself such time as I might consume.
The gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. H.R. 1412, as amended, is another product of the House Committee on Veterans Affairs' work to improve the effectiveness of GI Bill benefits for veterans. I want to express my appreciation to the subcommittee chairman, Bill Flores, and ranking member, Mark Takano, and our new full committee ranking member, Mike Michaud, for working with us to bring this amended bill to the full House. In general, H.R. 1412, as amended, responds to concerns about how to ensure that veterans make the best use of their hard-earned GI Bill benefits. Specifically, H.R. 1412 improves the GI Bill's on-the-job training option that offers veterans the opportunity to gain work experience and at the same time offers employers a lower cost while the veteran undergoes their training. The bill as amended has two major sections. Section 2 would reduce the final required training salary of a veteran engaged with an employer's on-the-job training apprenticeship program from the current 85% of the fully trained wage for the job to 75%. This new requirement would be put in place for a period of 4 years following the effective date of this section. The temporary decrease in the wage requirement will provide more employers the flexibility to offer OJT programs when they otherwise would not have been able to do so. Section 3 would direct the Department of Veterans Affairs to conclude agreements with other federal agencies to have them to further participate in the OJT program. If we're going to ask private employers to offer more opportunities to our veterans, the federal government ought to lead by example. Mr. Speaker, this bill is another step in reducing the unemployment rate among our veterans and is fully paid for. I greatly appreciate the bipartisan manner in which our colleagues have worked to reach an accord on the final provisions of this bill, and I encourage all members to support the bill and reserve the balance of my time.
The gentleman from Florida reserves. The gentleman